So this issue with Ghanai's batsman Shimron Hetmyer being excluded from the West Indies team for the upcoming tour of the United Arab Emirates and the subsequent World Cup qualifiers, despite informing the West Indies board of his availability. Word emerging is that ODI captain Shai Hope was satisfied with the squad that was selected and does not need or does not want Hetmyer in the group. And I agree with Shai Hope 100%. I put it further. Shimron Hetmyer should never play for the West Indies again for disrespecting the brand and the honor of West Indies cricket. Hetmyer clearly has zero commitment to the West Indies cause. He has consistently showed the board, the selectors, and the fans that he wants to choose when and where he plays for the West Indies. And even when he plays, we don't see no commitment or no discipline in his batting. Also, big and serious, Shimron Hetmyer is nothing special as a batsman. He's no game changer. He's no Viv Richards or any Brian Lara. Heck, he's not even a Carl Hooper. No.